In today's video, I'm going to teach you Aircall and HubSpot integration. By the end, you'll have Aircall connected to your HubSpot account using the official Aircall Data Sync app, so your calls and contact data can flow smoothly between the two platforms. Start on your HubSpot home screen. From there, open the Marketplace from the main navigation. In the Marketplace view, choose the App Marketplace to browse available integrations. If you ever see multiple sections, look for the Apps area. That's where you can search and install partner apps. Use the search bar and type Aircall Data Sync. Select the official Aircall Data Sync listing to open its details page. Here you can quickly review what the app does and the permissions it needs. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot will prepare the connection and guide you through the authorization steps. Next, choose Connect to Aircall Data Sync. This launches the secure authorization flow so HubSpot and Aircall can communicate. You'll be prompted to sign in to Aircall. If you already have an Aircall account, simply sign in and follow the on-screen prompts. If you don't have an account yet, select the Sign Up option, create your account, and then continue back into the connection flow. During authorization, you may be asked to confirm the correct HubSpot account and workspace, and to grant the requested permissions. Approve those prompts so the sync can run properly. If you're part of multiple organizations, double-check you're connecting the right one. Once access is granted, the connection completes, and you'll return to HubSpot with the app installed. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're using a supported browser and that pop-ups aren't blocked during the connect flow. If the Install or Connect button is unavailable, you might need HubSpot Super Admin access or the right user permissions in both HubSpot and Aircall. Also, ensure your plan supports integrations. Keeping both tabs open, HubSpot and Aircall, helps you move through sign-in and authorization without losing your place. After the connection finishes, HubSpot will acknowledge the install and the sync will begin based on the app's defaults. Calls and related contact information from Aircall can now be associated within HubSpot, so your team can see context right where they work. That's it. Your Aircall and HubSpot integration is live using Aircall Data Sync. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.